Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2016 Honda CTX700. This is the one with the dual clutch automatic transmission, ABS brakes, twin cylinder 700, fuel injected, liquid cooled. This is the one with the fairing, frame mounted fairing. Beautiful condition, only 9,900 miles. It's got a beautiful metallic blue paint scheme. The best thing is automatic transmission. Low seat height too, only 28 inches. Low center of gravity, super easy to handle. This is a fantastic bike for new riders or people with shorter inseam. Come on by, make your automatic dreams come true for just $69.99 for this gorgeous CTX700. It's not going to be here long. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, or at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Automatic transmission. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.